Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to give you some update on Ministry of Education Russia, because many of the students are stuck on the step 1, some are on the step 2, step 3, like you can see on the screen. He is one of my friend and he is the winner in the bachelor track, and yesterday he received the email that your documents have been sent to university for review. Now he's on step 3, and remember, he is the winner in the bachelor's track. So as per rules, first of all the winners will be entertained in this scholarship, and after that the runners up will receive the updates on scholarship. So as of now, still many winners are stuck on the step 1, so runners up are still waiting. So there is nothing I can do and we can do, or nothing university can do in this process. And yesterday one of the students sent me the email. Yes, you can see on the screen. Good afternoon. The selection of foreign citizens according to the quota can be carried out until November. He just sent me and asked like this is real or fake. It was circulating in the groups. Yeah, it's look real, and this is the real email. The process can be delayed till November. And as of my experience last year, I saw, but I met the student who came in the October 2024 on this scholarship. Like his process was started in the last week of September, like the update on the portal. Then he received the visa invitation in the October and he came in Russia. So you can, as this year we can expect more delays, because this year the quota is increased and there are large number of applications, and the process is bit slower than the previous years because of large number of applications. So we can expect more delays. So keep waiting and focus on your Russian language. And Open Doors is also opened for the 2026 September intake. Make sure to apply on this one also, and the other scholarship which are opening very soon. I will make videos. So this was the update that I want to give you. If you are stuck on the step 1 or any step, then please keep waiting and focus on your Russian language, because when you came here you will face a huge language barrier, and if you know Russian it will be very helpful for you. So that's all for today's video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.